women that just keep saying the same thing about One Piece, bro, every single time. It's too long. There's a problem. You want to watch an anime that's 1 season, 2 seasons, 3 seasons, 4 seasons, 5 seasons. It doesn't matter. Some of y'all be wanting to watch 1 season. Then you say, man, I wish there was a 2nd season. Some of y'all watch something that had 4, 5, 6 seasons. Man, I can't wait till a 7th season. One Piece have a lot for a reason. So it can engage. So it can keep going and keep going and keep going. Simple. I'm not going to sit down, watch 1 fucking season that had 12 episodes, 25 episodes, sit down, watch it, and guess what? There's not going to be another season until 2027.